The Jupe token has a total supply of 10 billion tokens, but Jupiter now wants to decrease this by 30%. So let's cover it all right now. So here is the main tweet, and this vote is happening right now from the 1st of August into the 4th of August. So there's going to be 3 Jupe for Jupe votes. The first one is to burn the supply. The next ones are to extend Jupenuaries and active staking rewards. So go to the website vote.jupe.ag and of course go and connect your wallet, and then you can read through this proposal right here. Supply reduction proposal, read through it, get all the information, and then down below you can either abstain, vote for, or against. Time is valuable, so let's speed run some of the points. This is a proposal. Scroll on down and we'll go through everything that I've highlighted. So the initial Jupe tokenomics were formed late last year with modifications made over the initial announcement essay as well during the main launch, taking feedback from the community. The token launched in January. Since then, besides gaining a much better understanding of the likely requirements and usage of the reserves, we've also heard a lot of feedback regarding the uncertainty brought on by high, fully diluted valuation and potential future emissions, particularly the next few Jupenuaries. This may be new to you, but Meow's been trying to go with certainty, alignment, and transparency in tokenomics, pushing Jupiter as kind of the pilot, so hopefully other projects can follow that in the future. There's a major push for everyone to understand the current and proposed token breakdowns. A lot of people don't have any understanding about the Jupe token. They don't understand that it's community eats first and not team eats, VCs eat, and then community. In fact, there are no VCs. So the vote is this. We propose a 30% reduction in token supply from 10 billion to 7 billion. This is a 50-50 thing. Team and community, 1.5 billion will be burnt from both parties. You can scroll on down, it's all broken down. Just go through it all here, but this is a summary. The team will voluntarily cut 30% from their assigned allocation, corresponding 30% reduction in Jupenuary emissions. The rest of the reductions will come from previously assigned allocations, such as from LP and strategic reserves. Let's have a quick look at this table. It's community made. I'm unsure by who, but shout out to whoever made it. So this is managed by the team. 5 billion tokens here. You can see the total reduction is equal to 1.5 billion tokens. And of course, there's 50% that have to come from the community. So managed by community. There's a 900 million reduction with subsequent Jupenuaries. Community reserves go from 500 million down to 300 million, a reduction of 200 million. And community needs with the original DAO funding goes from 500 million, 400 million is taken away, there's 100 million remaining, and some of that is already in use. That's the summary, and make sure you go and vote before Monday the 4th of August, 3:15 p.m. UTC time.